Hi, everyone. I'm excited to hear your responses to this week's discussion prompt about what makes you nervous about this class, what you're most excited to learn, how you learn best, and what has been your biggest challenge so far. I'm especially excited for you all because this is your first clinical class, and it is an opportunity for you to practice what you are learning in theory in the online environment in the lab. Those are um, interconnected, and it always helps students make sense of the theory content when they are applying those concepts in the laboratory environment. So I'm excited for all of you for that reason. It it tends to be the case that a lot of students that go into healthcare learn best by hands-on. That's why sort of the standard for training in healthcare is watch one, do one, teach one, because that's usually how we catch on, me included. So that being said, thank you for participating in this week's discussion.